Okay, we're starting our road trip, but he has to get in the car. I had the car last night. Yep.
I don't think
It's not too bad. You're fine.
It's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Hi, friends. We're heading out to the Oregon coast today. We're looking for breakfast, some snacks, and a lot of good coffee. It's raining, but it won't keep us down. We're Joy and Rustin. Come along for the ride. We're starting here at Camp 18 in this amazing log cabin.
And then we're going to see where the day takes us from here.
Okay, Rustin, you said this was a light breakfast. Granted, it's only one pancake.
I mean, it's light for me, but it does come with marionberry syrup, so I'm going to cover this thing.
Get going. Live it up, buddy. It looks amazing.
That was worth the drive.
That's a cauldron of jam. Okay, my love affair is biscuits, and I'm so excited for these. They're homemade, they're super crumbly, and they give us real butter too. So, a great breakfast spot. Perfectly crumbly.
It's like the sassiest looking Bigfoot I've ever seen. One of the things you can do when it's very rainy at the Oregon coast is the Tillamook Dairy. There it is, Tillamook Dairy. Some of the best ice cream in the country, and also some of the best cheese in the country, for sure.
I planned this whole day just because I wanted cheese. That's it. That was the whole plan today.
And I agreed to it because I wanted the ice cream. So it's a perfect fit.
This place is flipping huge. Since the renovation a handful of years ago, it's so much bigger.
This is really cool.
I think they should greet you at the door with a full scoop of ice cream.
And yes.
And like a brick of cheese.
Just a handful of cheese.
Just hand it to them. We did immediately walk in and we're in a line, but we don't know for what, nor do we care.
That's fine. A little history of the Tillamook Dairy. All right, so we're definitely going to hit the self-guided tour upstairs.
There's cheese hanging from the ceiling. This is my kind of building.
Definitely one of the most important aspects of Tillamook Dairy, the cheese tasting. I think we need to.
All right. Okay, maybe.
All right.
We take this and rate them at home.
Medium cheddar.
Okay, I'm really excited about this one. Smoked black
whole
pepper.
Milk mozzarella. Smoked black cheddar. Black pepper,
and
white cheddar.
6-year extra sharp cheddar.
Well, I think we got to do this one right now.
I think so. Oh my goodness. That is so good. It's like super duper tangy. That might be the best cheese I've ever had. Okay, 6-year extra sharp cheddar. This is the one.
Top one?
Yeah.
Top dog right here. Are we at a zoo for cheesemongers? Is that what this is?
I think so.
Cheese factory worker zoo?
I'm happy with it.
Also,
I support them at all times.
Do you think they can see us?
Oh, I don't know. I think they are ignoring us.
I think they're very, very well. They're ignoring us very well.
I want more of that 6-year aged cheddar.
Do we just go back in the line?
They won't know.
Put your hair in a ponytail, they'll never know.
They would never know. Have you eaten so much cheese and dairy that you need to sit down and watch a movie? That's perfect. They've thought of everything.
I don't know if I'm a big enough fan to get that kind of Tillamook merch.
I officially need a cheese fanny pack. That would complete the ensemble.
Can you only put cheese in the cheese fanny pack?
I think so.
I think so.
Pretty sure. Does Piper need dog things? And a chew toy. But you know what? At least our Basset is not a toy doggy. She just completely ignores it at all costs. But this. See, if we got the dog collar, it would match my fanny pack, and then they would know that we're together.
That's right.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, the line to get ice cream was probably an hour long, so we're at backup plan, and they have little pints, and he's gonna try to find like the most interesting one he can find.
All right, found sea salt and honeycomb toffee ice cream. Never had this before. Looked really good. Let's give it a shot. Gotta give it a big bite. It's little bitty bits of honeycomb.
Oh, interesting.
Little, here. I'm gonna take another bite and then I'll show you.
Okay.
Like the little bitty brown, I don't even know if you can see it. There it is. Just little brown bits for the honeycomb or the toffee. Ooh, excellent. 45 seconds later, it's almost gone. I got like 2 bites left. I would definitely put sea salt and honeycomb toffee on the list of best ice creams that Tillamook makes. I was pleasantly surprised. This is really good.
So back when the building was a bit smaller, all the cheese samples were like fresh and out.
Yeah.
But I don't think we've been here since the reno.
No, no.
So it was interesting that they had the little packets, which I like. That being said, we are going to head home, and much later tonight, we are going to cut up our little samples and see which one of the 3 flavors we like the best.
That's right. That way Piper can help choose, maybe?
Oh, poor Piper and her cheese love.
But the rain. It stopped raining.
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh my goodness. Finally stopped raining.
We're in the cutest little town called Manzanita. We're right on the coast. We found a little coffee shop. We're gonna go work for a little bit. And this is Jordan. Reston's working. He's killing it. Killing it. But I ordered just a medium coffee and they gave me one that's like huge. It's fantastic. Pistachio latte and cookie caramel latte. It's just one sweet gal who works here and she makes the most beautiful coffee.
Good coffee on the rainy Oregon
that's
coast.
So good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna try mine?
It's not too sweet. Is yours decaf or regular?
It's regular, but you're just getting the sip. It'll be
All right.
okay.
I'll be buzzing off the walls.
That's just how I like it.
Oh, okay, that's really good.
I think I won.
I think you did too. Well, mine's good. Yours is better. We're in Manzanita. It wasn't exactly our plan to end up here, but here we are. It's the sweetest little town ever. So 1,000,000 years ago, we used to take our little kids camping over here. And we would actually go down to Nehalem Bay and then walk up the beach to Manzanita and get pizza down right at the coast, right at the water. So I highly suggest you ever get to go camping down here, do that.
They also, in the summer, they have a farmer's market. Do you remember the farmer's market?
Me too.
So kids were walking to the farmer's market like you do. And they had a box of free vegetables.
They were like the overgrown vegetables,
Massive.
the ones that are huge.
So our kids picked the giantest, largest zucchini. It was bigger than my torso.
And they carved a little face in it.
And we named him Zeus-kini because he was so big.
He was so big, they even put him in the car with a seatbelt.
Yeah.
That zucchini lived with us for a long time.
Yeah. I think you made 400 loaves of zucchini bread.
I did. Such good memories. Okay, we're gonna have some stairs.
Here we go.
All right, knees.
We got this. We can do it. We can do it. Team effort. The view is totally going to be worth it.
Oh, I can see little walking paths.
All right, we made it to the top.
These are dead. Look at that tiny bed. You wouldn't even fit in that tiny bed.
I don't think so. I wonder if there's a way to measure how long that bed is, Joy. Just do it.
I don't want to lay on it.
Just do it.
I'm not gonna. Little kitchen set.
There's one major component of living here that I see has been omitted.
Bathroom situation?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's the forest downstairs. We'd have to have a bladder of steel.
You would. You would.
Pretend that you have cash.
I have some cash.
Remember smoke over there?
I do.
Only you can prove it for us. Portland, 36 inches.
What are we looking at? What are we looking at?
Rainfall.
Oh, like
Abundance of rainfall along the Oregon coast. Okay, so there were just
measuring rainfall. City of Tillamook, 90 inches.
Boy, there's fish over here. Well, the diorama game is on point. The famous Tillamook Forest Center suspension bridge.
So this was a lovely surprise. The suspension bridge is beautiful. The little river is gorgeous, and it kind of brought us back to when the kids were growing up and we came out here for homeschool. And all of the little dioramas and everything inside are really interesting and fun. So what a great day.
Yeah, this is a great stop. You're on your way back from the creamery to Portland, or even come out here all just for this. I think
it would be a whole trip just by itself.
I think so.
Yeah.
And if we cross the bridge, you could keep going, do a lot of hikes, a lot of trails. So if you got a really nice weather day, those do exist sometimes. This is a good spot.
I would definitely be hiking today if it wasn't, okay, technically it's not raining right now, but we've been in a torrential downpour all day. So really we would just be in a mud swamp.
Yeah, nobody wants that. So, thanks for coming along.
All right, we're finally back home from our little cheese excursion, and we have our 3 cheeses we're going to try. Hopefully Piper will do it too, and we're gonna rate which ones we like best.
We're gonna give it a shot.
Okay, first is Tillamook, just medium cheddar.
Classic.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
It's fine.
It tastes like
Cheese.
medium cheddar cheese.
Cheese number 2. Tillamook, smoked black pepper.
All right, here we go.
This is the one I'm excited about. Oh yeah, that's really good. White cheddar, tangy, peppery.
A little tang, a little something.
And we tend to like anything that's smoked, and there's definitely that smoke back there. And since I'm vegetarian, I never get that in food. Like I don't eat, bacon and stuff, so it's always kind of fun.
Last one, classic. Mozzarella, whole milk. Mozzarella, not this half milk.
Maybe I'll need to make pizza after this.
I think so. All right. It's pretty good, actually.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay, my ranking.
Okay.
Smoked pepper, mozzarella, cheddar.
I would have to agree with everyone.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Now, the one that we ate at Tillamook.
Oh, it was like
the
6-year aged white cheddar. That was the winner.
Top mark.
Oh my goodness, it was so
No
good.
problem. Absolutely the best. 100%.
All right, now it's Piper's turn.
Great.
You might not be able to do
Which one do you like the best, Piper?
Wait, which one is which?
We got cheddar. We got mozzarella. We got the black pepper thing.
Okay.
Go. Okay, mozzarella, then black pepper, and just like us, cheddar is last. All right.
I think she's a happy girl.
Good girl. Good girl. I don't remember this place. Or the foam in my mustache.
I want to do something different, Oh, you're in it now.
Am I not supposed to be in this?